기다릴 것도 없잖아.
Jenny, born in Korea but moved to New Zealand.
이 색깔을 보여줘.
She's super clear. Her opinions, her emotions. She's a perfectionist.
I always avoid interviews or any questions about me because I would rather not talk about myself, but
Used to be your girl, now I'm used to being the girl. You sitting on your feelings and sitting on my throne. I ain't got no time for the troubles in your eyes. This time I'm only looking at me, myself, and I.
제 성격이요? 다가가기 조금 힘들었는데 친해지고 나니까 굉장히 의리 있고 되게 다정다감하고 사랑스러운 친구인 것 같아요. 저는 사실 매일 보다 보니까 너무 친근하고 동생 같고 이런데 TV에서 보면 아 우리 제니 스타였구나 이런 느낌? 근데 실제로 보면 굉장히 소탈하고 너무 잘해요.
She's my friend. One of few that I have.
찬이 한 달이면 들어서 아라베스크 할게요.
I'm always aching like after tours and stuff. I feel like out of all the members, I'm always sick. You know, some days, just like every other human being, you feel extra happy. And some other days you're feeling down. Singing, dancing, and rapping, I always enjoy it all the time, but we always have to be on stage looking perfect and performing the same thing. It's like working out for 2 hours every day. Never gets easy. Gets harder actually, because you age. Ow, 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 ow.